Hello everyone, I'm Brian from High Tech Circuits. Nice to meet you guys here. Today I'm going to introduce another ratchet and flex board to you. This board is 8 layers ratchet flex board, and the copper thickness is 2 ounces. This ratchet and flex board fabrication has been used in medical devices, such as pacemaker for their space and weight reduction capabilities. The same advantages for ratchet and flex PCB usage can be applied to smart control systems. We high-tech circuits are always devoted to providing competitive price, good quality and fast lead time to our customers. If you have any PCB and PCBA needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you and see you next time.